Yeah, I just been pussy in the elephant, and I'll wiggle my hand around, and look at her. I mean, she can crawl in there.
Could you imagine that being your job, shoving your whole arm inside an elephant womb? Cooter. Elephant cooter.
That shit sliding out.
How's that the best way? She shoved her whole arm, not like 1 inch of her arm, like the whole thing. Ew.
Look at her like she digging for her, trying to get something.
Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna get an elephant some carrots out and dig in her pussy.
No one thinks that, Dad. They don't have carrot bribes going on.
That's what they doing.
House, I don't get that. You give an elephant a carrot.
If kids candy to come in the car, they gonna bribe you to.
You talk about in creeper vans? I got some candy in my van if you want to come get some.
Oh, the puppy is whining. Can you get the puppy out the car? Mister, if your puppy is crying, why don't you just take it home? Why are you driving around with a puppy in your car? Yeah, get away from me. I call the police.
You sure you don't want me to come? I mean, it's a nice puppy. Clark. We love them dogs. Documentation. Clark. Clark, I wish you would know your name.
Clark.
Oh, that ain't even fair. You be eating their face. Oh, Lewis found the monkey. Oh, he put it down. Why is Lewis a jealous dog? Eat that face. Eat that face. Lewis, you look like a big teddy bear. Like a big teddy bear. Eat that face. Clark be looking scared though. I don't think you can play with Clark like that. Clark be like, please, mister. Please put me down, mister. Stop licking my knee. What's up with you, man?
Lewis, come here. You come here.
You're like a violent owner. You're gonna love me and you're gonna like it.
I wanna get you.
Clark is freaking out. Like, Lewis, run. What we eating for breakfast? Oh, I'll find something to eat for breakfast. You want some Raisin Bran? Oh, yeah, because you... Dang. You don't like raisins?
Yeah, I like raisins. I got a box of them in the couch.
Oh, you got a box of raisins? Man, I'm going to go eat some Raisin Bran because that sounds delicious right now, friends and family. Tell me where I got the big industrial bag. Oh, I got Oreos. Dang. It's good. I came in here for Raisin Bran and I ended up eating Oreos. That's how you do breakfast. A day in the life of Uptown. Yeah, man. Fridge swag. God, I swear you cook too much. What we gonna eat? What am I eating for breakfast? Oh, what happened? She got her hand in her cooter again? Elephant porn? That's gross. Look at this box of raisins. That's going to my Raisin Bran. We got like every spice known to mankind, but nothing. We don't got no noodles. We don't got no hamburger helper. I swear, we eat all this white people food. I'm saying, where the pops? Look at all of this. I don't know what half of that stuff is. I just want some regular food. These are all the white people cereals. Cream of wheat. Who eats cream of wheat? That's gross. Oh, but I got Pop-Tarts. Brown sugar. This product placement, y'all. Go buy Pop-Tarts. Go buy Pop-Tarts. Man, this is gonna be a long video about just nothing but my dad dog raping. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, Lewis Clark, are you okay with that? Are you okay with being on TV? Here come Lewis. Lewis be doing the most. Clark. Jump, Clark. Dang, Lewis, you just gonna sock Clark in the face? That's jacked up. I'm turning this off. Uptown out. My dogs beating up on each other. Deuces.